Today we'll be making Mickey and Minnie ornaments from Dollar Tree items. These will be the ears, the bodies, more ears, and those for Minnie Mouse. For this activity, you will need a hot glue gun and a drill. So if you really want precise measurements, then I advise you to measure the distance between the two holes that you're creating. But for me, I eyeballed everything. Right now, I'm drilling the holes into the side of the Mickey bodies, just getting eyeball measurement of where I want the ears to be placed. Then I went back and I widened the holes as much as possible without going overboard for the little ears to be able to slide in. So, drilling the holes into these were really hard. I found that the ones with the glitter texture were easier to get the drill to stay in the same spot while I was drilling. But yeah, this was not an easy task. Some of the holes are probably too big, some are too narrow. So as I'm inserting ears and getting ears set up, I will use the glue gun as needed to secure the little bobbly ears into the Mickey bodies. And let's see how this turns out. See, this one's too big, so I'm gonna need glue for that. Both of them are too big. So